All right, hi everyone. So once you've got a data file on your phone, what you're going to do is click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner. Then you're going to click Export Data. Click the second option, CSV. This is a comma separated values type file. And we're going to click the first option where it uses commas and decimal points. Then you're going to hit Export Data. The easiest way to get it on your computer is to have AirDrop set up. So my computer is the first option here, and I'm going to click Carl and my MacBook Pro, and it's going to AirDrop the file to my computer, which I'll be able to import. Once your file is in your computer, mine's in my Downloads folder, we can make a spreadsheet. You're going to go to a browser window in your Google Drive and make a new Google spreadsheet. It's always good to have it to title your spreadsheet. Give it a name like guitar E string sample A, something that indicates exactly what it is. You're going to go to File, Import, and we're going to import data. You're going to upload the file from your computer that you just sent to your computer from your phone. For me, it's in the Downloads folder. It was audio data 2.csv. I click Open. The options we want to choose are Replace Spreadsheet, Detect Automatically, and Yes. And now our audio data is in the spreadsheet. We have two columns that are labeled time in ms, that's milliseconds, milli being 1/1000th, like a millimeter is 1,000th of a meter. So a millisecond is 1,000th of a second. And our recording is in these AU units, which has to do with amplitude. We want to put this into Logger Pro. So we're going to open up Logger Pro. We've got to select the whole column, but we don't want this time label. So we're going to command click on the time box, and now it's selecting everything except the label. You can copy it, and in Logger Pro, click in the first box and paste. That was time in milliseconds, so I want to label my column in milliseconds. And we want to select all this data, command click on the label, command C to copy, go to Logger Pro, paste the audio sample. This was audio recording. Let's call it A for audio. And the units were A.U. It just means audio units. It means amplitude. We can rescale our graph to make sense. Try 1. We want to fit all our data. Sometimes you got to play with scaling a little bit here to make this 0.2. We can make this negative 0.2. And here we get our file. Now, if I wanted to see the frequency of this nice, clear oscillation, the whistle, I can measure the time between peaks. So my delta t value for the amount that I selected is shown down here in the bottom left, delta t 0.787. It's good to have it to measure over several peaks and average 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, my delta t is 0.3944, and I can divide 3.944 divided by 5. That was how many peaks it was, 0.7888. Very similar to one measurement, but now I've averaged across 5 peaks. Have fun.